Introducing the 2026 Seat Leon 2.0 TD I150 horsepower DSG SE KLG2LZA in sleek black. This estate comes packed with top-of-the-line features, from air conditioning to collision avoidance braking. Enjoy the convenience of Bluetooth phone and MP3 connection, while staying safe with lane departure warning and multiple airbags. With a spacious interior and stylish roof rails, this vehicle is perfect for any adventure. Rest assured with the anti-corrosion, warranty and emergency call feature. Plus, our full multi-point health and safety check ensures peace of mind. For a comprehensive warranty and service to manufacturer specification, contact us today at spiritmotorgroup.ie. Your dream car is waiting for you.